So can you delete multiple apps on the iPad at once? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, of course, if you are just on the home screen or inside of the app library, the process is much longer where you have to hold down on the icon, just tap on the delete, then it asks you if you want to actually remove it from the home screen or delete it altogether, confirm it again. And if you are supposed to do it app by app, it takes a lot of time, right? So instead, you can go to the general section of your iPad and go to the iPad storage, which again, it doesn't let you to like select all apps and delete them with a click of a button, but I find it to be much easier because you have just the delete button one click away. You don't have to hold down on anything. It's all sorted by the size, so you get a much better idea of your apps like that. And you can just delete them much quickly, right? It's just a lot simpler that way. Obviously, I would still wish for the app where for the option to select all apps like my photos, right, and just tap on delete, make them all disappear. But at least this is slightly quicker than using the manual built-in method, right? So I recommend you to go in here, and yeah, that's a bit quicker. So that would just summarize the video and answer perhaps the question for you. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely stay tuned, so in case anything changes, I'll make an updated video about it. So don't miss that and subscribe, and I'll see you later in the next videos too.